Vinyl sales in the US have been on the rise for 14 straight years, with more Americans embracing the charm of records than ever before. To help you get the most out of your collection, we've put together a list of top-notch record players ranging from $200 to $2,000. Whether you're after that classic warm sound or a modern USB connection, there's something for everyone. In this video, we highlight the top 5 turntables, their standout features, and key factors to consider when choosing the right one for your needs. Check out the description below for links to all the products we mentioned. Number 5. Fluance RT81. The Fluance RT81 is an ideal choice for beginners stepping into the vinyl world. Its straightforward setup and ease of use make it perfect for those just starting out. But it also offers room for growth. You can upgrade the cartridge later for improved performance. Plus, there's no need to buy a separate phono preamp, as the RT81 includes a built-in one. If you prefer, you can disable the internal preamp and connect to a more robust external unit for enhanced sound quality. During our testing, we were impressed by the RT81's audio performance, though there are a few minor drawbacks. Its auto-off feature stops the platter to reduce needle wear, which is great, but you'll still need to manually return the tone arm to its rest position. Additionally, the turntable requires manual queuing of records, which isn't a deal breaker, but might not suit those seeking a fully automated option. If you're after a hands-off listening experience, consider the Denon DP-300F for full automation. Alternatively, for a more premium performance right out of the box, the Pro-Ject Carbon Evo is a fantastic pick. However, if you're looking for a stylish turntable that's reliable, delivers great sound, and offers upgrade potential, the Fluance RT81 is a top choice. Number 4. Sony PS-LX310BT. For those on a tight budget, the Sony PS-LX310BT delivers unbeatable simplicity and convenience. Its name might be a mouthful, but this turntable is as straightforward as it gets. Most users can have it set up and playing records within minutes of unboxing. With a built-in phono stage and pre-installed cartridge, it's a true plug-and-play option. The black plastic casing is basic but perfectly acceptable for its price point, and the inclusion of Bluetooth connectivity is a standout feature. You can pair up to 8 Bluetooth devices with the PS-LX310BT, and during our test with headphones, the connection stayed solid even at a range of 10 meters. At just $200, you might wonder if the sound quality suffers, but remarkably, it doesn't. For the price, this turntable delivers plenty of punch, strong dynamics, and surprising detail. While the Rega planar one offers even more precision and clarity, the Sony PS-LX310BT is an incredibly user-friendly and enjoyable way to embrace vinyl. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for an affordable entry into the vinyl revival without sacrificing sound quality. Number 3. Denon DP-300F. The Denon DP-300F is a visually stunning turntable that delivers sound quality to match its elegant design. During our review, we were thoroughly impressed by its performance. We noted, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to enjoy your vinyl collection without worrying about manual queuing, premature needle wear, or digitizing your records, the Denon DP-300F should be high on your list. This turntable prioritizes simplicity, allowing you to dive into your vinyl records without the need to fuss over complex setups or manual adjustments. While the included DSN-85 cartridge isn't the most precise, it does provide an airy and decently detailed sound, offering great value for its price. To hear a significant improvement in audio quality, you'd need to invest in a much pricier setup. Although the DP-300F lacks the USB output feature found in some other turntables on this list, it shines as an excellent option for those who prefer a fully automatic experience. Its start-stop mechanism ensures the tone arm automatically returns at the end of a record, preventing unnecessary wear on the needle. A thoughtful touch for listeners who might drift off to sleep mid-album. The build quality is respectable for a turntable with a plastic chassis, though the buttons could use some refinement as they felt a bit less premium compared to higher-end models. Still, this minor drawback doesn't overshadow the overall value of the DP-300F. If you're looking for a more sophisticated design and sound, consider the Pro-Ject Carbon Evo at the top of our list. Alternatively, For an entry-level turntable with a touch more performance, the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon is worth a look. Number 2. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XBT-USB. If imitation is the highest form of praise, then Technic's legendary SL1200 might feel quite honored by the Audio-Technica AT-LP120XBT-USB. However, this turntable offers much more than just a nod to a classic design. Featuring a direct drive system, stroboscope, and pitch control, the AT-LP120XBT-USB is a fantastic entry point for budding DJs. But its versatility doesn't stop there. With a built-in switchable phono stage, it integrates effortlessly into any audio setup. Plus, it comes equipped with aptX Bluetooth streaming for ultimate convenience and a USB output for digitizing your vinyl collection. This multifunctional turntable truly lives up to its reputation as the Swiss Army knife of record players. When it comes to sound quality, the AT-LP120XBT-USB holds its own. While it might not deliver the most commanding or powerful performance, it excels in extracting fine details, maintaining rhythmic precision, and placing a pleasant spotlight on the mid-range, making vocals especially engaging. If you're after a versatile turntable that offers a little bit of everything, this is one of the top picks on the market. Whether you're an aspiring DJ or a casual listener looking to enjoy both analog and digital formats, this turntable ticks all the boxes. Number 1. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo. If you're ready to immerse yourself in the pure, detailed sound of vinyl, the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo is the turntable to beat. Over the years, Pro-Ject's debut lineup has seen numerous enhancements, and the Carbon Evo is the pinnacle of those efforts. It's the most polished, feature-rich, and satisfying model we've ever tested, earning its spot as our number 1 pick for the best turntable you can buy. Yes, it's one of the pricier options, but don't let that deter you. If you're after top-tier performance and can stretch your budget, the Debut Carbon Evo offers exceptional value. Its premium specs include a redesigned motor, automatic speed control, improved performance features, and enhanced ergonomics. Plus, it comes in 9 stylish finishes to suit any space. What about sound quality? Simply put, it's incredible. During our testing, this turntable delivered an outstanding listening experience. We noted that no matter the genre, the Debut Carbon Evo excels in capturing every nuance while presenting the full sonic picture with absolute clarity and conviction. For anyone seeking a premium record player that blends exquisite design with unbeatable audio fidelity, the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo is a standout choice and unquestionably one of the finest turntables on the market today. And that's a wrap on our list of the best turntables. We hope this video gave you some great options to enhance your vinyl listening experience. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It really helps out. Also, let us know in the comments which turntable caught your eye. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.